Hello, this is Mrs. Ross, and this video is about how to do the digestion story. So you'll see I'm on the home page for science in our Schoology page. We're going to go down to human body unit. It's digestive system and digestion story. Hello. Okay, and there's several different things here. So let me go ahead and open up the instructions. And let's go ahead and go through this. So digestion story, an epic tale of food's digestive journey. Go ahead and follow along with me. It says, you've just taken a bite of your favorite food. Where does it go? What does it see? How does it change? Your meal has a story to tell about its journey through the digestive tract and the interactions it has with the accessory organs, all of the different organs of the digestive system. Your job is to express and illustrate this journey. Lovely. What you do for this project, you will create an educational story for children from the point of view of a piece of food moving through the digestive system. Your goal is to generate a well-thought, nicely illustrated account of what food goes through inside your digestive organs. This is a chance for you to be as gross as you want to while using proper language and pictures in order to show the disgusting but fascinating facts about how your food is broken down. Be creative. Okay, so format, we'll talk about that in just a second. It says choose one, or you can ask me for an idea. Your project must be well written, illustrated, and address the following 11 elements. So it should have a summary. Include your name and class period. Okay, describe the project in 3 sentences with 1 picture of the whole digestive system. So it should have a summary page, where I am, the plate. So show your main character sitting on a plate as a happy piece of food, whatever you choose. Who's going to eat the food? A person, an animal. Introduce your consumer here. Where am I? The mouth, teeth, tongue, salivary glands show the food as it moves through the mouth and gets changed into a ball of mush called a bolus. And describe how the accessory organs of the mouth, tongue, teeth, saliva aid in both mechanical and chemical digestion. Where am I? The esophagus. Here you should show the food moving out of the mouth and down the esophagus. Explain the role of peristalsis during your food's time in the esophagus as it travels to the stomach. Where am I? The stomach. Where am I? The duodenum of the small intestine being squirted by pancreatic juices. Where am I? The duodenum of the small intestine being squirted by bile. Where am I? The small intestine, the large intestine, the rectum and anus. Where am I? The toilet. Okay, so this has all of the information. There are 11 parts. And let me open another part of this. We'll go back. So that's the instructions. Let's take a look at the template. So where am I? And then on this leg of the journey. So this is something where, like, this would be one of the pages. So when you start out, this would be like page 1. Where am I? I'm on the plate. On this leg of the journey, what happens? Okay. And you would have 11 of these pages. So you could do this on paper if you choose. Let's see. Let me go to rubric. Title page, and then each part of the thing. Okay, there's the rubric. I thought it had... Okay, hold on a minute. Okay, so I added one more. We had the instructions, which we went over. We looked at the rubric, and then the template, which you would have 11 of. Let me show you what the teacher guide says, because I think you need to know. It says, have students copy down various ways in which you could accept this project under the format section of the directions. And let me show you what that looks like. Hold on. Okay, so let's go back here. So these are the teacher's notes, and it says that under the format section, you can come up with some ideas, or you can just choose your idea. So here's the format section, and you'll choose one. You can use, it can be a children's book, a PowerPoint slideshow, a travel brochure, an illustrated rap song or poem, a diary or journal. I'm not sure if we can use Prezi, but you're welcome to. A comic strip, it has to have the 11 different frames, animation, magazine article, news article, film, if you wanted to make a video, a play, or a puppet show. Okay. If I were you, I would stick to the PowerPoint slide or the children's book, putting all of them together. We don't need to know how to do that. I think that's it. Here are some some examples if you wanted to see some examples. Oh, mercy. Yeah, these are some great examples. So I'm just going to leave this on here. So if you need to see that, you can. But the first thing you're going to do is kind of figure out what you're going to do with it. And then you'll have those 11 pages that you can go through and make that story. So we can talk a little bit more about it if you have any questions. Like you'll have the summary and where, I mean, it kind of tells you how to do this. It needs to be colorful and creative and neat and easy to read. And we can kind of discuss it more as a group. So if you have any questions, please let me know.